Friends, welcome back to my channel. And now we are going to continue the Group C SCE 2078 optional mathematics question. In the previous video, we have uploaded the Group A, Group B and Group C question number 11 to 14. And here we are going to update the solution of question number 14. And the question number 14 goes like this: solve by Cramer's rule. For x minus 3y equal to 11 and 3x plus y equal to 5. Friends, before going to the solution, I would like to request you to mention a comment after watching the video, how you are feeling, how this video is helpful to you or not, and what kind of videos you need, so that makes me energized. And now we are going to continue with the solution. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the solution. This Cramer's rule explains us to solve linear equation using the determinants. Okay, using the determinants. So the equation 1 is 4x minus 3y equal to 11, and the second equation is 3x plus y equal to 5. Okay, so now we have the solution: x equal to dx by d and y equal to dy by d. So dx means the determinant of x, and dy means the determinant of y, and d is the determinant of this equation, the main determinant. Okay, so how we find that d is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and dx is c1 b2 minus c2 b1, and dy is a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Okay, so these are the determinants, and also we can write in a matrix order. First of all, let me say A is the coefficient of x, and B is the coefficient of y, and C is the constant term. A1 refers to the coefficient of x in the first equation. A2 means the x coefficient of the second equation. Similarly, B1, B2, C1, C2 referring to equation 1 and 2. So let me write here A is equal to 4, A1 is 4, B1 is minus 3, C1 is 11, A2 is 3, B2 is 1, and C2 is 5. Okay, let me keep it in a box. Okay, so now I have the D, which is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and I can write it as a1 is 4 times b2 is 1 minus a2 is 3 times b1 is minus 3. So it is 4 plus 9, which gives me 13. Okay, in another way, we can find D as the mode of the x coefficient and y coefficients. X coefficients are 4 and 3, y coefficients are minus 3 and 1, and this is equal to 4 times 1 minus 3 times minus 3, which is same here. Okay, so 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13. Hope you understood. Now Let me find what is dx. dx is c1b2 minus c2b1, and here c1 is 11 times b2 is 1 minus c2 is 5 and b1 is minus 3. So it is 11 plus 15, which gives me 26. Similarly, my dy is a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Here my a1 is 4 times c2 is 5 minus a2 is 3 and c1 is 11. And 4 times 5, 20 minus 3 times 11 is 33, and finally I get this as minus 13. Okay, dear friends, let me tell you how we can find dx as determinant. So dx, while you are finding the x coefficient, determinant of x, remove the x part from here and put this constant part here. So taking the constant and y coefficients, we get, okay, so here if we put these constant terms, then I get 11 and 5 here, 11 and 5 here, and the y coefficients are minus 3 and positive 1. Negative 3 and positive 1, negative 3 and positive 1, and it gives me 11 times 1 minus 5 times negative 3, and it is equal to 11 plus 15, which is equal to 26. In this case, both are equal. Okay. Similarly, finding dy as determinant of y, what we have to do is we have to replace these y along with the coefficients and replace with the constants here. So I get 4 and 3, 11 and 5. Okay, I'm going to write 4 and 3, 11 and 5, and this gives me 4 times 5 minus 3 times 11, and it is equal to 20 minus 33, and this is going to be minus 13. Okay, so now my x solution is dx by d, which is equal to dx. My dx is 26. So I'm going to write 26 upon dy is 13, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, and y is dy by d, and my dy is minus 13 and the d is 13. It's equal to minus 1, and my solution is x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. Kept in a box, and this is my answer. Now let's check question number 15.